Hi, this is Lori Walmer with my Module 4 practice, my STEM identity outside of the classroom. My identity is based on my Christian beliefs that it is our responsibility to take care of our environment. The STEM book that I chose was It's Easy Being Green, contrary to Kermit telling us that it's not easy being green. This book is written by teenage author Emily Sleeth, who encourages the next generation to start changing the world by being environmentally conscientious. On page 21, she tells us that we are consuming natural resources at an unsustainable rate. Her opening chapter explains that all the people on Earth are neighbors and everyone should work together for the sake of the future of our planet. Small steps by millions of people equal big results. I recommend this book because it gives practical advice for lessening our environmental footprint. Her suggestions include changing our habits with clothing, meals, travel, and home life. This book cultivates my STEM identity by providing new ways for me to step up my own game in doing my part to make our world a better place. The STEM movie I selected is Disney Nature's Oceans. This movie begins with the question, what exactly is the ocean? It tells us that we need to see it, hear it, taste it, and feel its power for ourselves to answer the question. The movie explores many parts of our world's oceans and how animals live together. The movie talks about the pollution that hurts the ocean and tells us that human indifference is surely the ocean's greatest threat. I recommend this movie because it is beautifully created. The music and pictures work well together to not only teach us about the creatures who live in the ocean, but also to inspire us to take care of it. The quote in this movie, "Every breath we take and every drop we drink depends on a healthy ocean," cultivates my STEM identity. It motivates me to do more to take care of our oceans. Just as I depend on the ocean is depending on me. The STEM podcast that I selected was Noah's Ocean Podcast, Episode 14, Garbage Patches, How Gyres Take Our Trash Out to Sea. The podcast defines a gyre as a large system of circulation of ocean currents and garbage patches as areas of the ocean where trash seems to collect. In this podcast, Troy Kitch interviews Diana Parker, who explains how plastic is harming our ocean life. She also explains the difficulty in cleaning it up and indicates that the best way to solve this problem is for each of us to change our behavior to protect our environment. The remarkable statistic that it would take 67 large ships a year to clean up only 1% of the North Pacific Ocean cultivates my STEM identity by leading me to be more active in preventing this problem. I intend to join a beach cleanup crew on my next visit to the beach. I recommend this podcast to others because it is easy to listen to, gives important information, and encourages us to keep our beaches clean. Finally, my favorite STEM place is the National Aquarium. As one of the best aquariums in our country, it is the home to over 20,000 species, including some of my favorites, dolphins, sea turtles, clownfish, and Atlantic puffins. This aquarium is entertaining with educational shows and interactive exhibits. I recommend this tourist attraction to you because there is something here for everyone, and I am confident that a visit will convince you to take your part in caring for our world. Our trip to the aquarium last year cultivated my STEM identity by reminding me how much I love not only the beaches, but also the animals that live in the oceans. I am grateful for this place and the work that is being done here, including teaching others how to be better stewards of our world. Their website indicates that through education, research, conservation action, and advocacy, the National Aquarium is pursuing a vision to change the way humanity cares for our ocean planet. So with that, I encourage everyone to save planet Earth. Thank you.